Hello students. Today, under unit number 6 with part B, that is materials management, we'll understand the concept of MRP2, which is an upgraded version of MRP1 only, which is mostly used in all of the ARP systems. We'll discuss out the concept of MRP2 with the help of PowerPoint presentation. MRP2, which is called as Manufacturing Resource Planning, is an integrated information system used by businesses. MRP2 evolved from early materials requirement planning 1, okay, which is evolution of MRP1 system by including the integration of additional data such as employee and financial needs. So it is an upgraded version of MRP1 by additional or by integrating the additional data such as employee and financial needs. This MRP2 is a computer-based system that can create detailed production schedules using real-time data to coordinate the arrival of component materials with machine and labor availability. It is used as a module in more extensive enterprise resource planning system, that is in ERP systems. So this, in short, MRP2 is an upgraded version of MRP1, which is most probably or most famously used in ERP systems. Now we'll discuss out what is the difference between this MRP1 and MRP2. MRP2 has effectively replaced MRP1 software. Most MRP2 systems deliver all of functionality of MRP system. But in addition to offering master production schedule, bill of materials, and inventory tracking, MRP2 provides functionality within logistics, marketing, and general finance. It includes out all the similar inputs which are same as which were there in MRP1, but it provides functionality within logistics, marketing, and general finance. Again, this MRP2 is able to account for variables that MRP1 is not, including machine and personal capacity, providing more realistic and holistic representation of company's operation capabilities. Okay, so it also provides some realistic and holistic representation of company's operating capabilities. Third, many MRP2 solutions also offer simulation features that allow operators to enter variables and see the downstream effect. So this MRP2 softwares consist of simulation features so that the operators can just enter out the variables to see the downstream effect of that particular activity. Last, because of its ability to provide feedback on given operation, MRP2 is sometimes referred as a closed loop system. Closed loop system, there is nothing but there is continuous feedback regarding the activity. The difference between the open loop and closed loop system, in open loop system there is no feedback regarding the activity or regarding the system from which we are getting out the output. Whether the output is required as per the requirement or not, there is no feedback regarding that output in the case of open loop system. But in the case of closed loop system, there is continuous feedback regarding the output so that we can control out the output according to our requirement or as per the set output. So it is termed as closed loop system, whereas MRP1 is open loop system. There is no feedback regarding the output. But in the case of MRP2, there is feedback, so it is called as closed loop system. Again, MRP1 included the following three major functionality. The major three functions of MRP1 were MPS, that is Master Production Schedule, BOM, that is Bill of Materials and Inventory Tracking. But the MRP2 includes those three of MRP1 plus the following. It includes of these three, that is MPS, Bill of Material, and Inventory Tracking, plus this following four features are also added in MRP2, which includes of machine capacity scheduling, demand forecasting, quality assurance, and general accounting. So the MRP systems are still in wide use by manufacturing companies. Today can either be found as standalone solutions or as a part of ERP systems, that is enterprise resource systems. So they are more advantageous as compared to MRP1 system. They are closed loop systems. And in most of the ERP systems, you will track out this MRP2 application. Thank you.